Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? But plus tier, butter, plus S, plus cot, plus CH, scotch, butterscotch. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to Classic Concentration. I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving weekend. In spite of the problems in this country and abroad, there are many, many things to be thankful about. We have a returning champion on my right, a good player. His name is Phil Sweeney. Let's greet him again. Hiya,
Hi.
Phil.
Good to see you.
Thank you. How long have you lived in Southern California?
About 10 years.
And you are originally from?
Rochester, New York.
Rochester, New York. What did you do there?
I worked for a rental company.
Rental company. Okay. And now you're settled here. Are you married?
No, single.
Single man. That's right. You told us on the last program you had a few women in your life.
That would keep me from getting married, wouldn't it?
All of them in Southern California, not necessarily. All right, let's meet your opponent. Her name is Teresa Brownfield. Hello, Teresa Brownfield. Where are you from?
Glendale, California, born and raised there. I am a student at Cal Poly Pomona in their pre-veterinary program.
Pre-veterinary program. And that means that you're going to continue into veterinary medicine?
Hopefully
you're going to be
go
a
to
vet.
Davis.
And you're Davis, University of California at Davis. They have a wonderful course there in veterinary medicine.
Best
And
one.
you could be treating my pet someday.
Someday, I could be doing it.
Good. Be gentle with them.
Oh, I will.
My cats. My cats, Lingerding and Sleazy, are a little strange. Come to think of it, so am I. Take a look over here, and we'll show you one of the prizes you're playing for in this game, Teresa.
Color Times Deluxe Home Entertainment Center with remote control 19-inch color TV, VCR, and stereo furnished by Color Time Rent-to-Own Systems. Alex.
That looks pretty good to me. I hope it looks as good to our contestants, Teresa and Phil. Easy to remember, the entertainment center at number 1. We have an Alaskan cruise in this game, players, and also 5 bonus car seconds. And Teresa, you get to pick first.
Well, I'd like to find that Alaska. Let's look under number 10.
10 for the Alaska cruise. No, we've got a wild card.
I think I'll go for that entertainment center under number 1.
Number 1 is the complete entertainment center, and the natural match for that is at number 23. Well done. 3 pieces of the puzzle opening up for you. Can you solve it? No? Do it again.
Okay, let's look under number 11 for that cruise.
Word processor.
Well, I could use that for my school. How about number 4 for a match?
No, we have the diamond and ruby pendant. Phil.
That would be nice. Let's look for that. Let's try number 19.
Alaskan cruise.
There's the cruise. Where is that? Let's try number 16.
5 bonus car seconds.
There's the seconds.
2 great prizes. Teresa.
Okay, I've got one part of the cruise. Now let's look for it under number 9. Green take. That could be a good insurance. How about number 20?
Wild card, so you're going to get the take. The other green take. Number 17.
Insurance.
Insurance, yes. Take a look.
Okay.
Pick again.
Okay, let's try number 3.
Pool table.
That's fun. I like playing pool. How about number 21?
Red take. Phil.
My chance again. Let's try 22.
Alaskan cruise.
Let's go on a cruise. I'll take 19.
Let's go on an
Excellent.
Alaskan
Very nice.
cruise. Good prize for Phil. Of course, Teresa has the green tape. But right now, let Phil enjoy the moment. We'll open these 2 pieces for him.
Not enough yet. I can't see it.
All right, go again.
Let's go with 14.
Pool table.
And number 3 for the match, please.
Pool table. Makes it a match. Alaskan cruise, the pool table, 2 expensive prizes, and 2 more panels swinging open for Phil Sweeney. Go again.
Can't tell. Number 7, please.
Aquarium.
We haven't seen that before, so let's try a new number. How about 25?
Women's apparel and
Nope.
shoes. No match. Teresa?
Okay, let's try number 24.
Ceiling fan.
We haven't seen that yet. Let's try number 16 for a match.
5 bonus car seconds. No,
We knew
Phil.
that one. How about number 5?
Word processor.
And number 11, please.
Word processor. Teresa's shaking her head. She's realizing now that Phil is the champ up here for a good reason. He plays the game well. 2 panels swinging open for him. Can he solve the puzzle, though? Select.
We haven't seen number 8 yet. Let's go for 8.
Red take.
Oh, I saw that somewhere. 21.
21 is the red take. Yes, she says yes. She has that very attractive entertainment center. Now, let me present you with a situation here. If you took the entertainment center, she still has the take. If she gets control of the board, she will be able to use that take. Now, would she grab the cruise, the entertainment center, the pool table, the word processor? You've got some very expensive prizes on your side.
In that case, I will save it.
I talked him out of it, folks. Let's take a look.
Didn't help.
Well, then, pick again.
15, please.
Aquarium.
We did see that before. How about trying number 6?
I don't think it's there. Possibility of 2 matches for Teresa.
Okay, let's look for that aquarium under number 7 and
Right.
match under 15.
That is right. Now, Teresa, do you want to use your take?
I think I'll hold on to it for one more.
Good.
All right,
Thank you
we'll
very
open these
much.
2 doors for you. Pick again.
Okay, number 6 for the apparel, women's apparel,
apparel?
shoes, and 25 for the match.
That's another match. I had a feeling you were going to be able to make that one. Now do you want to use your take? Take a look at his prizes. He's got the Alaskan cruise. He has the pool table. He has the word processor.
No, keep it.
I think I'll take the cruise.
Oh.
I'd like to go to Alaska.
She would like to go to Alaska. She will go to Alaska if she can solve the puzzle. Can she do it? Hear that? Somebody in the audience said, oh, come on. It's always easier when you're at home or sitting up there in the studio audience. A little tougher down here.
We got it down here. You better get it this time.
Uh-oh.
Okay,
He may be trying to bluff you, Teresa. You don't have to
but
stand for
maybe
that.
he won't be.
Well, make a match and break his heart.
Okay, number 12.
Diamond and ruby pendant.
Number 4 for the match.
Diamond and ruby pendant. Concentrate, Teresa. Solve this puzzle. Teresa, there is still a wild card up there, so
Okay.
it's not as bleak as you may think.
Let's try to find that wild card. Number 13,
No, that's the ceiling fan. You now have a
And
50-50 shot at
the
it.
match under 24.
You got it.
You've got it. So we don't have to worry. You're going to clear the board. Open those 2 doors, and then we'll show Teresa 2, 16, and 18. That's the wild card and the 5 bonus car seconds. And Teresa, you have got a lot at stake now. Look at the puzzle and solve it.
Pearls are hound the bush.
Is it pearls or hound the bush? Bill,
Ring around the bush.
is it ring around the bush? No, it is not. All right, hands on your signaling buttons. I am going to help you. You are free to ring in after the green light goes on. The first symbol is a necklace made... Phil,
Ring around the rosy.
is it ring around the rosy? Teresa, can you solve it now? You get a free shot here. All right, hands on your signaling buttons again. Let me finish what I was saying about that necklace. It is made up of beads, and the arrows are pointing at one single bead. It's a familiar expression. Bead, Phil.
Beat around the bush.
Is it beat around the bush? Beat around the bush. Teresa says shoot. Phil is burying his head also. He's embarrassed.
I can't believe it.
Ring around the rosy. Let's go to the board here, Phil. Ring around the rosy. Pocket full of posy. Explain it now.
I have no idea why I'm up here explaining it. I never got it. Okay, we have a bead here. R plus a hound is a round. we have the word the. And first I thought this was a fence, thought it was a bush, nothing worked. Turns out to be beat around the bush.
Hey, it just, don't feel embarrassed. Don't feel embarrassed.
That one wasn't deserved.
Even if it's not deserved, sometimes luck takes a hand, and that's good. Teresa, just one strike against you. We'll see you in the next game, okay? In just a little bit. Phil, you're looking over there to see what prizes you won, right? Did you win any prizes? Gene, he won something, didn't he?
He did, Alex, a word processor. Smith Coroner's easy to use, all-in-one PWP 2100 portable word processor. Comes with an 8-line by 80 character display and features a built-in disk drive for unlimited storage and a pool table. The Oldhausen Monarch features contemporary styling from hand-selected oak solids and veneers. The carefully engineered frame and rails along with the diamond-honed Italian slate will help provide professional play and years of family fun. And these prizes total $2,839.
And Phil was wondering if he had won anything. Well, of course he won something, and we'll see if he can win a car in a bit. All right, Phil, another opportunity for you here in the winner's circle. 15 numbered squares sitting up there, and you are going to be dealing with 45 seconds on the clock. You're still benefiting from those 5 bonus seconds from earlier. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 4.
No. Yes.
7, 10.
No.
13, 14.
No.
10, 14.
Yes.
11, 8.
Nope.
5, 2.
Nope.
7, 2.
Yes.
3, 6.
No.
5, 6.
Nope.
9, 8.
Nope.
13, 9.
Yes.
12, 15.
Nope.
11, 8.
No.
5, 12.
Right.
3, 15.
No.
6, 11.
Yes.
8, 15.
I thought, sir, you were a bit too cavalier with regard to time there.
I can't believe that.
I figured out you got discouraged and said to yourself,
No,
I'm
I
not going to
lost.
make it, and then all of a sudden you said, hey,
There were two of them I just forgot. Couldn't remember where I put
Oh,
them.
that's too bad. But you've got $3,879 in prizes. You're going on, and we'll be back after this. Let's take a magic carpet ride with Marjorie and Jean.
This beautiful, handmade, colorful, floral 6x9 Oriental rug is 100% wool pile and is a handsome accessory to any room. Yours with a gift certificate from EMSER International.
Let's show Teresa and Phil where the magic carpet Oriental rug can be found at number 14. $600 in this game in the cash pot, Teresa, as well as a vacation in Las Vegas where you could go to gamble, I suppose, and try to parlay that 600 into 6,000. I have a feeling, though, you're not a gambling lady. However, you do get to... Huh?
I like to gamble.
Do you? What's your favorite game?
21.
21. Are you good at it?
No.
You're not even 21 years old yet.
Yes, I am.
You are? All right, make 2 selections.
Okay, let's look under number 1.
Health club membership.
Well, I already have one of those. Let's try number 5 for a match.
No pasta maker. Phil.
Okay, let's look for one of the trips. Let's go for 18.
Color TV.
Well, let's find that. I'd like that. How about number 9?
Las Vegas vacation.
There's a vacation.
Teresa.
Okay, I'd like to go to Las Vegas. How about number 7?
Color TV.
And number 13?
No, that's a bedroom set.
Thank you.
Phil says thank you. He'll
I
make
would
the
like
match.
that. Let's go for 18.
18 is a color TV.
And number 7, please.
7 is a color TV.
Very nice.
And it's a match for you.
Thank you.
2 doors. Open them up to Phil. Better pick again.
Number 10, please.
Rowing machine.
We haven't seen that before. Let's look for a match under 16.
Cash pot. No
There's a
match.
cash
Teresa.
pot.
Okay, let's look under number 19.
Bedroom set.
Okay, I could use that. How about number 2 for the match?
No, that's a green take. I think you've helped Phil again. Phil?
I'd like the bedroom set. Number 13, please.
13. Yes, that's where Teresa
And a match
found it.
under 19. 13
13 and 19 is a match. Another one for Phil. You and Teresa work well as a team.
Yes,
she
thank
sets you
you.
up and you get the matches. Take a look. Now make a match on your own, Phil.
21, please.
Green take.
Oh, no, we saw that, but I don't know where it is.
Pick a number.
Number 12.
12? No, red take. Teresa.
Okay, I think we saw that under number 2
Green take.
and 21.
There you go. There you go. Do you want to use it now?
No, thank
All ready?
That's right, hang on.
2 doors. Swinging open for Teresa Brownfield.
you. Okay.
Pick again.
Number 10.
Rowing machine.
Saw that there. Number 15.
Diamond earrings. No match. Phil will pick again.
Number 25, please. Number 16, please.
There's a match on the cash pot.
Very nice.
2 more doors for Phil.
Still parts I can't.
Well, pick again.
Okay, number 4, please.
Las Vegas Vacation.
That would be nice. Let's look for that under 14. Oh, no.
Oh, big mistake.
I was
Teresa.
positive that
Okay,
was
let's
there.
look under number 15.
Diamond earrings.
Ooh. Number 22.
No match. Phil.
Number 12, please. And let's take the take. 22.
22. There you go. She doesn't have anything to take.
I'll hang
Insurance
on
for
to it.
later on.
It's
Open it up for Phil. Go again.
Let's go with number 20
Rowing machine.
and number 10, please.
Rowing machine. Take a look. See what this reveals. Whoa. Time's up. I'll collect the takes, and you guys get your hands on your signaling buttons, and we will begin revealing this puzzle, starting off with number 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 14, 15, 17. Teresa.
Don't breathe it to a soul.
Don't breathe it to a soul. Looks like a winning solution, and it is. All right, Teresa. Well done. Come on. That's good. Phil doesn't mind. Explain it.
Okay, you've got the dough up here plus the NT for don't, the B plus the wreath for breathe, and the hit down here for hit, 2, ace, plus the hole for a soul. Don't breathe it to a soul.
Well done. Nicely done. And I said Phil doesn't mind because that gives him his first strike, and he'll be back to compete in our next game. But right now we'll say goodbye for a little bit, Phil. And Teresa, he had all the prizes on his side of the board, so you're not going to get to pick up anything in this game. However, you will play for a brand new car after this. Teresa and I are agreeing that Gene Woods is kind of silly. But right now we're going to concentrate on the important business at hand, these 15 numbered squares. And the basic time on the clock, 35 seconds, Teresa. Good luck. Win a car. Go ahead.
1, 2,
No match.
3, 4.
No.
2, 4.
Yes.
5, 6.
No.
7, 4, 5.
Yes.
8, 9.
No match.
1, 12.
No.
8, 12.
Right.
3, 9.
Yes.
10, 11.
No.
6, 13.
No.
14, 13.
Yes. You were 2 cars short, and there's something the audience did not notice on that everybody else had a monitor that showed the clock on it, and Teresa was operating with just the 15 squares. She couldn't see the clock on her monitor, and as a result, that made it a little bit difficult. And still, she came within 2 cars of winning a brand new automobile. So that's nice going. I have a feeling if you get up here again, you'll do a lot better. You'll win a car. Yes, we'll take a break.
Some of today's participants may receive a Princess House Products gift certificate for beautiful hand-blown and lead crystal, elegant giftware, cookware, and decorative accessories furnished by Princess House. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Marjorie just said something that contains the wisdom of the ages. She said, practice makes perfect. And she made that comment because Teresa said that she has the classic concentration board game at home, and she has practiced with it. And that might explain why the lady was so successful in that last game. She is going to be with us on the next show, so you be sure and tune us in for that one, won't you? Classic concentration, tomorrow morning, same time, right here. Take care. So long, everybody.
Coming up next to Tell the Truth, and then Marsha Warfield gets down to the nitty-gritty with soap stars Debbie Morgan of Generations and Billy Warlock of Days of Our Lives.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.